The relationship that Tulane and Louisiana have, it is a pretty unique relationship. The state was interested in having highly trained and highly qualified forensic psychiatrists to help run the state forensic hospital. Tulane was also interested in developing a forensic psychiatry fellowship program to enhance our overall Department of Psychiatry mission. And so those two goals came together to start this State University Collaboration Project. As part of this project, we've become involved in what we call the Sanity Commission process, or the appointment process to evaluate people when they first come in. It helps to educate the judges on the process, and it helps the completeness of the reports and the information provided in the reports.
Dr. Thompson started this in the early 90s, and now the state benefits from having a stable of many different forensic psychiatrists who can not only staff the hospital, but can also staff organizations in the community.
The Forensic Aftercare Clinic is a specialized clinic here that serves individuals in the greater New Orleans area. And it is a specialized clinic where we have people that have been found not guilty by reason of insanity or have never been able to be competent to stand trial to charges because of their illness, and also that maybe have been found incompetent to proceed and are out on bond and require treatment to become competent to proceed. What this does is it provides not only psychiatric treatment, but it also provides monitoring and supervision for the court.
The state turns to Tulane quite often as a source of expertise for education on matters that they need more information about. Information that's relevant to the decisions about the resources and how to allocate them.
The quality of the care and the attention is something that I never experienced in the past. They brought forth a plan going forward for the individual that was necessary for the individual's care, but it also was sufficient to communicate and educate the judiciary on how to get to the right result.
When I'm relying on people like Dr. Thompson and the members of his staff, it definitely provides a tremendous level of confidence in the decisions I make. I had a particular case. The person refused medication because he didn't think there was anything wrong with him, and despite the fact that his attorneys were begging me to medicate him so that he could intelligently discuss his defense with his attorneys, he refused. And I had to have my own court-appointed sanity commission that had to be completely neutral. In that particular case, I did rely on Tulane as far as being able to provide advice and kind of guide me through the process of dueling experts.
Frankly, if this program did not exist, many of these people would not be able to leave the hospital. So we have to go to court and support to the judge that it's a rational decision to let this individual out of the hospital because we have all of these supports in place.
The forensic department not only provides the forensic psychiatrists for the courts, for the state forensic system and the forensic aftercare system, but it also, by way of the fellowship, continues to grow new forensic psychiatrists.
In the clinical program, we guide third-year law students and train them in how to be lawyers in the criminal justice system. And we have collaborated with the Tulane Forensic Psychiatry Department for the last decade. So the collaboration that we have gives the forensic psychiatry fellows the opportunity to really develop their skills in testifying and their skills in simplifying the complex psychiatric issues that may be presented in a courtroom. The simulation mock trial that we do with the forensic fellows allows the law students an opportunity to work with a real expert. It gives the forensic fellows an opportunity to have the insight and perspective from the law school faculty as well as from their counterparts in the exercise itself. So they're hearing a perspective to which they normally don't have access.
Their fellows are the best and the brightest, and we're able to use them as resources. We're not experts in the fields of mental health, so it's nice to be able to rely on their expertise.
Tulane brought professional management to an archaic mental health treatment facility, but the quality of the care and the attention is something that I never experienced in the past.
The overall educational mission of Tulane is improved. The ability to support staff and resident training economically is improved. Tulane's mission of caring for patients on a global level is also improved as well. So all the missions that Tulane has are enhanced by being involved in this project. The guys that we treat at the state hospital are probably the most severely mentally ill individuals in our state. That's the thing that makes me wake up in the morning, is that I know that by putting this collaboration together, that the overall care of those patients is going to improve.